It's time again to make another pizza using a store-bought cheese pizza. I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna turn it into a chicken cordon bleu pizza. Doesn't that sound great? I love a chicken cordon bleu, but imagine it on a pizza. Let's make it. Grab a frozen store-bought pizza and add some pizzazz. It's a pizza pizzazz party. Good. Yeah! For this one, I'm using a 5-cheese pizza rising crust. Put it on my pizza stone. I'm starting with a jar of Alfredo sauce. I'm gonna pour it right on top. And a sprinkling of garlic powder. I'm just chopping up some Deli ham and sprinkling that on top. I'm chopping some leftover chicken strips I had and placing those on top. And then topping that with some Swiss cheese. Now that's some pizzazz. Now I'm just gonna put this in a 400-degree oven for about 20 to 23 minutes. What? It looks good! It does look pretty divine. Let's try it. Amazing. Wow. I love the chicken and the ham and the garlic. It works so well. Turning a pizza into a chicken cordon bleu. Who would have thunk? And it's dynamite. Do you want to see more dynamite things? Then you better subscribe to my channel, folks. Thank you so much for joining me here on Jim's Kitsch Kitchen, and I'll see you next time. What do you call it when someone spreads germs all over the pizza? Little sneezers. Choo!